Hey there, word wizards and puzzle masters. Welcome back to the channel where we put your brain to the test. Today, we've got a challenge that sounds simple, but might just stump you. We're diving into the world of two-letter words. Think you know them all? Let's find out. I'm going to give you a series of two-letter words, but one will always be missing from the sequence. Your job is to figure out which one it is. Ready to play? Let's get started. First up, take a look at these words am and as, at. What's the missing two-letter word that starts with a? I'll give you a moment to think. It's a very common word we use all the time. Got it? The missing word is of. No, wait, that doesn't start with a. Ha, just kidding, testing you. The real missing word is the axe, like a tool for chopping wood. Did you get that one? All right, let's keep the momentum going. Next set, be, buy, do, go, HMM. This one's a little trickier. We have for very common words. What's another super common two-letter word that fits right in? Think about pronouns and articles. It's a word you probably use in every other sentence. The missing word is he, or maybe me, or we. There are a few possibilities here, but let's say the intended one was he. How'd you do? Don't worry, we're just warming up. Let's try another one. Look at these, in, is, it, if, all starting with the letter I. What's the missing word in this group? This one might require a bit of deeper vocabulary knowledge. It's not a word you use every day, but it's definitely in the dictionary. Give it some thought. The missing word is ID, as in the psychoanalytic term. A bit of a curveball, I know. But that's what makes it fun. Okay, now for the letter M. We have my, me. This is a short list, so there could be a few answers. What other two-letter words starting with M can you think of? I'll give you a hint. One is a sound a cow makes, and the other is a term used in music or measurements. Ready? The missing words could be moo or ma. We'll accept either. You guys are getting good at this. Let's move on to the letter N. Here's your word, nitrogen monoxide. Just one word this time. So, what other two-letter word starts with N? This one is a bit obscure, and you might see it in crossword puzzles. Think about a word that means no or not. Time's up. The missing word is nah. As in nah, I don't think so. It's more of an informal or archaic word, but it counts. All right, how about the letter O? Here are your words on, or, ox. What's missing from this group? Think about a word that expresses surprise or is used to get someone's attention. It's also a letter of the alphabet itself, but we're looking for a word. The missing word is O. Like, oh, I see. Did you figure that one out? Simple, yet easy to overlook. Let's ramp it up. Here are some words starting with P. We have pie, P-A. What's the missing word here? One is a mathematical constant, the other is another name for your dad. The missing word is another two-letter word starting with P hint. It's related to chemistry or your body's balance. The answer is pH, a measure of acidity. Getting tricky, aren't they? Now for the letter S, you have one word. So, what's the other two-letter word starting with S? This is a tough one. It's a note on the musical scale. Think do, re, mi. Any ideas? The missing word is SI. Also spelled TI in some contexts, but SI is a valid spelling for the seventh note of the scale. Wow, who knew? Let's tackle the letter T. Your words are to, ta. What's missing? To is a preposition, ta is a British way of saying thanks. The missing word is a popular beverage. I think you'll get this one pretty quickly. That's right, it's a tea. Just kidding, it's tea. Oh wait, that's 3 letters. Fooled you again. The real missing word is T, like the musical note we just talked about. I love keeping you on your toes. Okay, last one. Let's make it a good one. For the letter U, we have U-S. What's the missing word? Think about something you might say when you're hesitant or pausing. It's a sound we make all the time without even thinking about it. The missing word is or you could even argue for UH. We'll accept both. Great job, everyone. You made it through the 2-letter word challenge. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments below. If you had fun racking your brain with this puzzle, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more word games and challenges. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.